Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your VW Passat door lock. First, let's identify the common signs of a faulty lock actuator, such as doors not locking or unlocking properly, or making unusual noises. You'll want to confirm the issue is indeed with the actuator before proceeding. Gather your basic tools like screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and a new replacement actuator. This preparation ensures a smooth repair process. Now, let's get to the actuator. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the electrical connectors attached to the lock assembly. Disconnect these. Finally, unbolt the entire lock actuator assembly from the door frame. Take your time with each step to prevent any accidental damage. With the old actuator removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new lock actuator into place and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all the electrical plugs, ensuring they are seated firmly. Before fully reassembling the door, perform a quick test. Operate the door lock using your key fob and the interior switch to confirm it's working correctly. Once you've confirmed the new actuator is functioning perfectly, reattach the door panel. Make sure all clips align and snap into place securely. Double-check that the window, speaker, and any other door functions are working as expected. You've successfully fixed your VW Passat door lock. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.